I hope you all will be waiting for a story. Today I brought you a beautiful story that let's see what is inside. The Enchanted Gratitude Jar by Saida Sabiha. In the picturesque village of Meadowbrook, where the air always smelled of blooming flowers and the gentle hum of bees filled the summer days, a curious boy named Liam lived with his family. Liam had everything a child could want: a cozy house nestled near a sparkling stream, loving parents who always supported him, and a group of friends who played in the fields until sunset. But despite all these blessings, Liam often found himself unhappy. Why can't I have the latest video games like Ethan? Liam grumbled as he trudged home from school. And why does Sophie get those fancy birthday parties with balloons and ponies? His grandmother, Nana Rose, watched him from her rocking chair as he stomped into the house. Nana Rose was known in the village for her wisdom and the twinkle in her eyes, which hinted at a lifetime of secrets and stories. She beckoned Liam to come closer. "What's troubling you, dear boy?" she asked, her voice soft and soothing. "I just don't get it," Liam complained. "Other kids have so much more than me. It's not fair." Nana Rose chuckled. "Liam, fairness isn't about what we have. It's about how we see what we already have. Let me show you something magical." A sparkling discovery, Nana Rose stood and shuffled to a tall shelf, pulling down an old glass jar. It was unlike any jar Liam had ever seen. Its surface shimmered faintly, catching the sunlight, and intricate swirls etched into the glass seemed to dance as she held it. "This," she said, placing the jar gently on the table, "is no ordinary jar. It's an enchanted gratitude jar." Liam stared at the jar skeptically. "What's so special about it?" Nana Rose smiled. "Every time you write down something you're thankful for and place it inside, the jar will glow with golden light. When the jar is full, it will reveal its magic and show you the greatest treasure in the world." Liam's eyes widened. "A treasure? Like gold and jewels?" Nana winked. "Something far more precious. But the magic only works if you truly mean what you write." The first note the next morning, Liam decided to give the jar a try. At breakfast, his mom served his favorite pancakes with syrup. After finishing, Liam took a small piece of paper and wrote, "I'm thankful for the delicious pancakes Mom made." He dropped the note into the jar, and to his amazement, the jar glowed faintly with a warm, golden light. The glow filled the room for a moment before fading away. "Whoa," Liam whispered, a grin spreading across his face. That day, Liam began noticing little things he hadn't thought much about before. When he walked to school, he wrote, "I'm thankful for the sunny weather." When his dad helped him fix his bike, he added, "I'm thankful for Dad teaching me how to fix things." The growing light as days turned into weeks, the jar began to fill. Each time Liam dropped in a note, the glow became brighter and lingered longer. One evening, Liam's friend Ethan visited and noticed the jar. "What's that glowing thing?" Ethan asked. "It's an enchanted gratitude jar," Liam explained proudly. "Every time I write something I'm thankful for, it glows. When it's full, it'll reveal a treasure." Ethan scoffed. "That's silly. A jar can't give you treasure." "Maybe not gold or jewels," Liam replied, "but it makes me feel happy. You should try it." Ethan shrugged but didn't argue. A lesson in gratitude one day, while playing soccer, Ethan accidentally broke Liam's old, worn-out ball. He expected Liam to be furious, but instead Liam smiled. "Don't worry about it. I've had lots of fun with that ball already." That night, Liam wrote, "I'm thankful for all the good times I had with my soccer ball." Ethan was puzzled. "How can you be thankful for something that's broken?" Liam thought for a moment. "Because it gave me so many happy memories. That's what matters." Ethan was quiet, but the next day, he brought a piece of paper to school. "I'm thankful for Liam being such a good friend," he wrote. When he dropped it into the jar, the glow was brighter than ever. The jar's secret months passed, and the jar was finally full. It glowed so brightly now that it lit up Liam's room at night. Nana Rose smiled as Liam gathered his friends and family around the table for the big reveal. "Are you ready?" she asked. Liam nodded excitedly. When Nana Rose opened the lid, A gentle breeze swirled through the room, carrying a soft whisper. The greatest treasure lies within your heart. Suddenly, the glow transformed into a shimmering map that floated above the jar. But instead of showing gold or jewels, the map displayed all the memories Liam had written down: the pancakes, sunny days, bike rides, and kind friends. Liam's heart swelled. The treasure is gratitude? Nana Rose nodded. True happiness doesn't come from what we have, but from appreciating the blessings around us. That's the real magic. Sharing the magic from that day on, Liam kept the magic alive by encouraging others to start their own gratitude jars. Sophie made one with her family, writing about her love for art. Ethan started writing about his adventures with his dog. The little village of Meadowbrook began to shine, not with gold or jewels, but with the warmth of gratitude and kindness. As Liam grew older, he never forgot the lesson of the Enchanted Gratitude Jar. Whenever he faced challenges or felt envious, he would pause, take out a piece of paper, and write something he was thankful for. Because now he knew the secret. The greatest treasure is not in what we own, but in how much we cherish what we already have. The end.